Does they have like real gold or diamonds in this? Why is that so expensive? So my number 2 and 14 are switched at birth. Hello beautiful angels. Today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is Glossybox advent calendar, and this is a really huge and also hefty. So this is how it opens. You see that? So they have a booklet in here. Maybe it has all the products. Yeah, so this has like the details of all the products. So here are the ones. So it has like how many drawers? Like 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers, and each of it has like multiple products in there. So it says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy. The subscribers price is $89, and for the non-subscribers it is $99, and it has the worth of $550, which is amazing. And let's say about this beauty. This year's beauty advent calendar is bigger and better, and it's featuring incredible brands like Wonder Beauty, Nails, and Ionic London. Our beautiful rose gold box is the most exciting way to count down to the festive season. I'm so happy that you're here, and if you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, and I'm so glad that you're here, and I'm so happy that you're being part of this family. And without further ado, let's get to today's video. Here we have number 1. Let's see about this beauty. So this is the Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and this is a face squad. And here are the colors. It's a really pretty. So it has got a silver, gold, and 2 types of rose gold. Amazing. And this is like a really big size. And this is a face quad, and this retails for $15. Get a fresh radiant glow with 4 shades of shimmer, perfect for any skin tone. This vegan and cruelty-free palette even comes with a mirror for on-the-go touch-ups. Awesome. Now let's see about the next beauty. Okay, so here we have number 2 in here is Wonder Beauty Mile High Club. It's a volume and length mascara, and this is what I have right now. So I already have this one. I think I received this one in one of the subscription boxes, and I really love it. And that's a number 2, but they have something else in this box as number 2. Okay, so this is supposed to be number 14. Okay, so this is a Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara, and this retails for $26. This is the number 3 in here. This is a Clinic Zero Cleansing Balm. It's a purifying one, and this is Deluxe Mini Sample, and this one retails for $3.50. Transforming from balm to oil to emulsifier. Number 4 in here. This is the S1, and it's New York All Eyes on Me Illuminating Eye Gel, and this one retails for $7, and this instantly lift, hydrate, cool, and deep off your eyes with this radiant illuminating eye gel. Is the number 5. Oh wow, yay, we got a perfume. Though it's a mini one, I'm excited, and this is so cute. So it's going to be really good for travel size. Not that we are traveling anywhere, but I got this. I love it. I love it. Okay, it's a Flower Bomb Nectar, and this one is Deluxe Mini, and this one retails for $23. Wow. Yeah, and it smells really good. I love it. It's kind of strong. It's like that florally scent, but still it's really awesome. So we are off to number 6. Tarte Cosmetics Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, and this one retails for $18. So this is the pump. So here is 7. Glossybox Skincare, and this is the 3-in-1 moisturizer, and this one retails for $22. Yeah, they started like this their own skincare line. So I have got like what is that? I think under eye cream, and I really love it. So this is the second item. This is a big one. Number 8, Ellie Concepts, the dual texture scrub, and this one retails for $5. Here is a number 9. So this is the first time I'm looking into these products, so I'm equally excited just like you guys. So this is the beauty. So this is the Hair Apology Intensive Care 10-in-1 leave-in treatment spray, and this one retails for $21. I really need this, and this is a really good size too. Here is 10, a big guy. Oh, there is 25 or 23 hidden under this 10 box. These are the ones. So this one and this one. This one, look at this. It's like jelly kind of texture, but there is some kind of particles in this. Like it's like a, it looks so yummy. Melting sugar face mask. Oh, okay. And this is a Freeman Beauty Lovely Neck Mask and Moisturizing Rose Gummy Bear Gel Mask, and each one retails for $3.99. And here we have number 11, Style Dry Turban Shower Cap, and this one retails for $26. Okay, let me see. Ah, that's so cute. I could use this just like this, like not even like a shower cap. Let's see about this beauty. So this one is $26, and don't want to wash your hair every day? No problem. Keep your hair dry and frizz-free with this super cute shower cap. This is number 12. This is the Advent Skin 3-in-1. It's a filler collagen eye formula, and this one retails for $125. Really? Wow, $125. Does they have like real gold or diamonds in this? Why is that so expensive? This is a revolutionary formula, contains signature ingredients to even out the signs of aging while maintaining a mattified complexion. Yeah, I just want to try it and see how this one is. Box is almost empty. So number 30, Rhodium Vitamin C Brightening Cleanser. This one retails for $10, and the full size is $49. Usually the skincare items are kind of expensive. And number 14. Okay, so my number 2 and 14 are switched at birth. The Ill Mask and Illustrator Pen, and this one retails for $28, and this is the black liquid eyeliner. So here is number 15, 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask, and this one retails for $32. Just a single face mask, and this retails for $32 because they have 24 karat gold. Your skin will be calm and illuminated. I'm going to put this on tonight because I have a couple of breakouts, so they do claim that it's going to calm my skin. So number 16, hemp wipes, and this one retails for $10. Here is number 17. This is Crabtree and Smooth Plus Refined Body Lotion. This size deluxe mini, and this one retails for $4. Here is number 18. It's KVD Vegan Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one retails for $21. Okay, it's more like bright red. So here is number 19, brush set that we got. This is a dual brush set which retails for $15. Now number 20 in here. And this is the First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser, and this one retails for $21, and I have used this in the past and I really love it. Beauties in this box are almost open. This is 21. Stuck on You eye primer. Oh, okay, so this is the eye primer. So this is the primer we're looking at, and this one retails for $16.50. This is the last box in this drawer. Hey Honey Sweet Treat Wild Berry and Honey Yogurt Recovery Mask, and I have tried this in the past and I really love it. So this one mini deluxe mini retails for $21. Is it that expensive? And this is Hey Honey mask. Okay, and next we have 23. Okay, so Dr. Paw Tinted Ultimate Red Balm. What is this? This retails for $8, and this is the tinted balm full of pawpaw fruit, aloe vera, and olive oil, which gives the hydration and classic red lip you need for the holidays. Okay, this is the red balm. You can see, so that's the balm that we are looking at. 24. Here is 24. This is the one, and this one is Nails INC Victoria nail polish and retails for $15. Number 25, a big guy, and it's a kind of heavy too. And that's, drum roll please. Dun, dun, dun. We got this Ionic Lantern eyeshadow palette, and this one retails for $62. Wow. And this is the velvety soft powders, include a mixture of mattes, shimmer, and glitters for any holiday look this season. Whether you want a subtle shimmery shine or a bold glittery eye, this palette has got you covered. That's pretty much it, guys. So those are all the products that we got, and that's really huge. And I like most of the products, like they are here and there couple of products which I have tried in the past, but most of the products are new to me and I'm really excited about this one. And my honest review is, like, if you want to try any advent calendar for yourself, gift it for yourself, it's going to be awesome. And if you want to gift someone else, this is going to be a really nice gift to gift your loved ones. Hopefully you loved today's video, and if you do, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.